Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to send fax from your phone. So if you also want to send fax from your phone, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So sending the fax from your phone is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is install the fax app. There are various applications from which you'll be able to send the fax from your phone. One of the application for it is fax app. If you want to install the application, for that simply open Play Store or App Store. After that, search for the fax app. After that, simply install this application. You can see over here I've already installed it. Once you install this application, what you have to do is launch open the application. Now after that, you can see over here fax app has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to send the faxes. You can also buy the subscription if you want to send the unlimited faxes. So if you want to send the faxes, for that what you have to do is tap on the option add image or document that you can see right over here on your screen. After that, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for cover page, photo from library, take a photo from files, from another app, Google Drive, etc. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after that, what you have to do is choose the document that you want to send as fax. Simply tap on that document. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can even crop the document if you want. Like this, you'll be able to crop the document. Now after you're done cropping, what you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here the image or document will be uploaded. Now what you have to do is enter the recipient's number. Over here you'll be able to find the field for enter recipient's number. All you have to do is tap on it. Now over here what you have to do is enter the number of recipient. Also make sure to select the country code. Over here you'll be able to find the field for country code. All you have to do is tap on it. After that you'll be able to select the country over here. Simply tap on the country of your choice. Now enter the number over here. Now after you're done entering the number, what you have to do is tap on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, wait for a while and your fax will be sent. After your fax has been sent, it will be displayed in the send faxes interface. Over here, you'll be able to see all the faxes that you've sent. So like this, you'll be able to send the faxes from your phone. So that is how you send fax from your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.